Hello guys, I am Dr. Ashray Khanna from Inspiring Minds, and in today's video I am going to compare Vinnytsia National Medical University with Lviv National Medical University because these two are the best universities of Ukraine for now. So I'm going to tell you how we have actually compared these two universities. We have listed down 10 most important criteria, and then we're gonna compare and rate both of these universities out of 10 for each and every criteria, and then after we would be finishing with our 10 points, then I'm going to add on the points for each and every criteria, and then we'll get a score out of 100 for both of these universities. In the end, I'm going to tell you 2 bonus points. So for that, keep watching this video till the end. So if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe our channel. If you've already subscribed it, then enjoy watching it. The first criteria for us is when the university was founded and what is the medium of instruction. For Lviv, the university was founded in 1784 and the medium is English. Vinnytsia National Medical University was founded in 1921 and the medium is English. So for this, clearly the winner is Lviv. It is going to get 10 points out of 10 and Vinnytsia is going to get 9 points out of 10. Now the second point is what you should actually look for is since when the Indian students are going there and how many Indian students have already graduated from that university. For Lviv, the number is approximate, which is 300 to 400 students, and for Vinnytsia it is 1000 to 1500 Indian students. So for Lviv, actually students used to go a long time ago, but now since I guess 1 year the more number of Indian students have started going there, because earlier they used to get many students from Poland, but now they have stopped taking students from Poland. That's why more Indians are going there. So for this, because number of Indian students in the senior years, in the clinical years is very less, that's why Lviv is going to get 6 points and Vinnytsia has a handsome number of Indian students, so that's why it's going to get 8 points out of 10. Now the third point is academics and departments in general. So just to compare these two universities on the academic front, we have actually seen that they both are almost equal because the academics and education of both these universities is very good. So we cannot rate any of the universities out of it. So we have given the equal score, which is 9 to Vinnytsia and 9 to Lviv. The next is libraries. As you all know, for a medical university, library matters a lot. So for Vinnytsia, they have a newly made multi-story library, and also for the electronic library, e-library, they have the access for Dr. Najib lectures, which is free of cost for all the students studying there. But Lviv, it has a good library, but as compared to Vinnytsia, we cannot say that it is better than Vinnytsia for sure. So Vinnytsia here is going to get 9 points and Lviv it's going to get 6 points. So now let's talk about the simulation centers and the clinical departments. As you all know, Vinnytsia has 2 to 3 simulation centers, but Lviv as compared to Vinnytsia doesn't have that many simulation centers. So Vinnytsia is going to get 9 points and Lviv is going to get 7 points. The next and very important criteria for the students is the cost of living. So in Vinnytsia the cost of living would be on an average around $100 a month, but for Lviv, being a tourist place, the cost of living minimum or on an average would be around $200 to $250 a month. So for this, Vinnytsia is going to get 9 points and Lviv is going to get 7 points. And why is it so? Because right now the $100 a month difference won't be like, you won't be able to assume like how much it is going to be in the 6 years. So actually when you will calculate, it will make a difference of approximately 3.5 to 4 lakhs for the duration of whole medicine course. So now you can see which one you should go for. Now the next point is city life, like how convenient and how comfortable it is for the students. Vinitsa being a student city, it is very much convenient and comfortable. You won't find any hassle there. Everything is very much feasible and accessible. But on the other hand, Lviv being a tourist place, the hospitals are very far and you have to use public transport and taxis a lot to reach out to your hospitals in the clinical years. So for this, Vinitsa is going to get 9 points and Lviv is going to get 5 points. Now let's talk about the most talked and most discussed topic, which is the corruption. In Vinitsa, there is no corruption, but in Lviv, there is no corruption for initial years for paraclinical subjects, but in 4th, 5th and 6th year, we have got to know that there is some kind of corruption. So you can see what is true and what is not. So just for this, we have rated Vinitsa by giving it 8 points and Lviv 6 points. So now a very important criteria for which it matters a lot for the foreign students, which is racism. In Vinitsa, you will never get into any sort of racism or you will never hear about any incident of racism. But in Lviv, I have personally been there, my team has personally been there, and we have spoken to many of the students studying there, and this thing is not at all good for Indian students. So you should always look for the safety issues. So for this, Lviv is going to get 5 points and Vinitsa is going to get 9 points. Because you see, even in restaurants and in the public places, Lviv being the tourist place, it's not that comfortable for Indian students studying there. So you should see what is good for you. So now the 10th criteria and the last one is the hostel and the distance of hostel from the university. So for Vinitsa, the university hostel is just around 100 to 150 meters, which takes around 1 minute from the university hostel to reach to the university. And the condition of the hostel is good. You can click on the link up here on the I button and you can see the condition of Vinitsa's university hostels. But on the other hand, for Lviv, the Lviv actually has 3 hostels, out of which 2 hostels that are okay are very far from the university, and the hostel which is not so good, it is near to the university. So you can see which one you want to go to. So for this, the Vinitsa is going to get 8 points and Lviv is going to get 7 points. Now it's time for the bonus points, which I already mentioned in the video. Management. Management is excellent in Vinitsa National Medical University. Dean's office will cater all your demands and they'll respect all the students. There is nothing like contractor, agents or anything in Vinitsa National Medical University. Every student has his or her own right. But on the other hand, for Lviv National Medical University, the management is very bad, and even the dean's office and the administration department, they don't listen to students at all. They ask the students to go to their contractors, and contractors, I don't want to say anything about that. That is how it is. The MCI coaching. Yes, in Vinitsa you're going to get MCI coaching for your whole course, but for Lviv, no comments. So yes, this was the comparison by Inspiring Minds. So now you can go through the video again if you have any problem. Now to sum it up and to give you the cumulative scores out of 100, Lviv is getting 68 points out of 100 and Vinitsa is getting 87 points out of 100. So now it's in front of you. Whatever thing matters more to you, you can go with it. Whatever doubt you have, you can always write it in the comment section down below. This video is not to harm or demean anyone. This is our personal experience, what we have got to know from the students and what we have actually experienced. So on the basis of our past experiences, we have made this comparison. You may like it or not. We want to have your feedback. If you have any suggestion for us, you can always write it down below. If you have liked the video, Please like it. If you have not, then you have the liberty to dislike it as well. So if you want to see any more comparisons, just write it down in the comment section down below and we'll surely make a video on it. Okay guys, see you in the next video.